Stay here, Rich. It's our new tractor. And our new topper, which came this morning. How cool was that? Leah! You're trying to eat the camera, aren't you, and you mustn't. This should make the field look really nice. Good girl. Good girl, don't nibble. Doggy, stay here, darling. So our hay's getting really wrecked in the next field. Mama, what are you doing? She doesn't want to talk to you. Oh, she might actually. Is Dolly trying to talk to you? Is she? Oh, here we are. First time I've ever used it. There it goes. Stay here, darling. Clearing everything. Good girl. Good girl, no biting. She's trying to get the camera. That's going to look cool. I'll come back to it when he does the next bit. Bye for now. Even though it's quite wet, it is nice being out here. Oh, she wants to talk to him. Rumble, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't want you eating now. Nasty. Hi, dudes. Good girl. You look a bit unimpressed. It's the weather, isn't it? Rich, you going to say hello? Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Oh, she likes being in. It's too wet to be out, isn't it, darling? Put that down. That's caca. Drop it. Yuck. Spit it out. Spit it out. Ugh. Ugh. Nasty. Ugh. Don't eat much. Good girl. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Right, let's go along and see how he's getting on. Hey, girlies. Oh, it's cutting it back really well, look. Taking it right down. We love our tractor. It's so cool. It's a beast. Darling, good girl. Good girl. Stay, Bumble. Rich, come here. Gotta be careful about the stones flipping up. Good girl. You're wondering why it's so wonky. I keep getting bitten by Leah. Ah! So tired. Yawning. Hello. Oh, so tired. You're so cute when you yawn. Oh. Well, Phil's going to look well cool. She's being really funny. Oh. She's still yawning. Oh, she should bang your head. What are you doing? You're talking to Bun Bun. He's a bit scared of you, darling. He is. Stay, Rich. Come on. Rich likes you. Bumble, what have you got now? You eating the straw? Oh, horrid little bulldog. Ugh, don't eat that, that's nasty. Ugh. Caca caca. Caca caca. You're standing under a drip, you silly. Oh. There's only dog kicking the door. Leave her alone, she's just kicking the door. Want some attention? Oh, you're so naughty. You're so naughty. You're not coming out, you've only just asked to come in. Richard, leave her alone. She's not even scared of you anyway. Oh. Right, just the last bit of the tractor and then I'll go and put this on. I'm so pleased with it. It's really old, but it's in really good condition. Excellent. Love it. Bumble, stop annoying her.